Okay, first grade friends. Now let's check Puzzle Penguin's thinking. I only counted 8 different striped fish. I didn't count 9 striped fish. So I think Puzzle Penguin, where he got goofed up, was he miscounted that original piece of data. Important information. So I think that there are only 8 striped fish, and go ahead and count them. Pause me if you need to and double check my thinking. But I'm pretty sure there's only 8. So I went ahead and I just did, I had his thinking of 9 different striped fish, but I crossed one out to show 8. Now this makes a lot more sense, okay? Because if there's only 8, then that means that there are 3 more fish with stripes than with spots. And again, when I'm thinking about how many more fish than with stripes than with spots, what I'm doing is I'm looking here and seeing how many extras there are. That's how many more fish there are with stripes than spots. And it goes the other way if I'm looking for how many fewer fish have spots than stripes. So there are 3 fewer fish with spots than stripes. And I know there are 3 fewer because there are not 3 in this little box here, okay? All right, so now on the next page, I have a couple things for you to try. I want you to go in and see if you can make your own little graph where you write the numbers at the end, and if you were actually able to figure out how many more or fewer there are. And just so you know, on the next slide, it's going to show, well, why don't I just show it to you? On the next slide, you're going to get a chance to sort some animals. Sort in between how many cats and dogs, and be sure to write how many at the end of your little graph here. That will be important information. Oh, I went the other way, didn't I? Data. And then as you write in here, it says there are blank more or fewer cats than dogs. So then you have to decide, are there blank more, are there so many more cats than dogs, or are there so many fewer cats than dogs? Okay, so you'll just circle those and write how many more or less. Okay, have some fun with it, and then I'll see you on the next slide to check your thinking.